Show Grandma and Grandpa how you can crawl now today. Show him what you figured out. Come here. Come here. Come here, Zach. Hey, Zach. Show Grandma and Grandpa how you figured out how to crawl. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, woo! Hey, Zach. Zach. Come here. Show Grandma and Grandpa how you crawled today. Look at you go. Look at. Here I come. Say, here I come, Grandma. Good job. You're getting tired, huh? You gotta stop. Good job, Papa. Zach. Oh. You wanna say hi to Grandma? Say hi to Grandma and Grandpa? Say hi, Grandpa. Oh, I'm tired.